Hi everyone, welcome to the RP Price Lego Build and Review channel. Here's a full review on set number 76423. It's an 8+ set. It's a Harry Potter set. It's a Hogwarts Express and Hogsmeade Station, 1,074 pieces. If you're a train fan, you'd love this set, and it goes very, very well with the entire Lego's Harry Potter collection. As you can see, I have several other castles up there, and of course this would blend in very, very well with the full Harry Potter theme. What you have is 2 passenger cars, a coal car, and the steam locomotive. The parts list is here. 1,074 pieces. And of course, the manual is excellent. It's 190 pages in the manual. A fairly easy set to build, not too difficult. Each car is done separately. The tracks are assembled when the cars are done, and the tracks all interlock together. And I do believe you can get more Lego tracks if you want to extend these. You do have ramps that go in the front and the rear. So when you move the train, you can slide it up and down and load it onto the ramps or onto the rails. So that's kind of nice. Here's the station. It's a great looking station, highly detailed. And there's 8 minifigures total with this set. Most of them I have in the passenger cars. You do have a engineer here. He's included, of course. You have a sign that sends you to the Hogwarts at Hogsmeade areas. As you turn this, the inside detail of the train station is also very, very excellent. As you can see here. Very nicely detailed here. It's a really great looking station. A little bathroom there. Area coming in for your tickets. And a waiting area. Very, very nice. And of course you have a waiting ramp out front on this station, where you can put, if you'd like to put your minifigures out here. We have one out there now. He's the watchman with the lamp, and you can load those minifigures onto the waiting area there for the train. The train is nicely detailed. As you can see, here's an upper view. Steam locomotive with the Hogwarts nameplate on it. The coal car, these all interconnect. Got a shovel for the coal car. Then as you get to the passenger cars, these tops come off on both passenger cars. And as you can see inside, there's a lot of detail inside. You have a refreshment area, and here are your minifigures all loaded in as passengers. The seating area is in there. And as you come down here, there's some more minifigures sitting in their seated areas. So there's 6 minifigures there. And detail of the locomotive and the cab. Looks fantastic. So this is a great looking set. It runs $129.99 on Lego. It is available. And it makes a great standalone model that goes along with your Harry Potter theme. And if you like trains, this is a great one to build and to display. It just looks fantastic. So this is one I would definitely consider. You could do this as a family project. You could build this as a family project and really enjoy it as you're going along. And definitely one I would consider. It's a little bit higher price than I like, but for the look of the set and the quality of the set, The part quality is excellent. I would strongly recommend this one. If you can get it on sale, all the better. But if you can't, I still would recommend it at $129.99, just for the look and the model quality. So this would be one for you to consider. I strongly recommend it, especially if you're into the Harry Potter theme. This goes and fits in very well with Harry Potter. So thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, or share. Much appreciate that. It helps me with the channel, and I so much appreciate you. You guys help me out. I try and give you as much information as I can on these sets, and I hope that helps you. My whole theme here is to help Lego builders enjoy these sets and see what they can get for the money and the theme. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll be back with more builds and reviews coming up very shortly. Again, thanks so much for watching.